Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth on your Nissan Altima. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked. Next, grab your mobile phone and turn on its Bluetooth function. Then, on your Altima's infotainment system, locate and press the phone button. This will initiate the pairing process, guiding you through the initial steps to link your device seamlessly. It's a straightforward process designed for your convenience and safety. Once you've pressed the phone button, the car's screen will prompt you to connect device or add new. Select this option to begin searching for available devices. Your phone should appear in the list. Tap on its name. Both your phone and the Altima's display will then show a unique pairing code. Confirm that these codes match on both screens to complete the secure connection. This ensures only your intended device is paired. With your phone successfully paired, you can now enjoy hands-free communication. When a call comes in, simply use the convenient steering wheel controls to answer or end it, keeping your focus on the road. You can also access your phone's contact list directly from the car's display, making outgoing calls effortless. Adjust the call volume using the audio controls, ensuring clear conversations every time you drive. It's all about safety and convenience. Beyond calls, your Bluetooth connection allows for seamless audio streaming. Enjoy your favorite music, podcasts, or navigation audio wirelessly through your Altima's sound system. If you ever encounter connection issues, a simple restart of both your phone and the car's infotainment system often resolves them. Also, ensure your phone's operating system is up to date for the best performance. This ensures a consistently smooth and enjoyable experience on every journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.